This is our entrance to our apartment in Seville. Please indulge us while we show you.
Okay. Worked first time.
This is our door. You're having this at home? Keep out the unruly. Listen to it.
This is our entrance.
Now we are breaking into the palace.
This is our entrance. This is our entrance.
Check out the tiles. And I'm going to sit on the throne.
Another door through there.
Filming again.
This lift is seriously small. There's 4 personas. That's how big it is.
Two people and a small backpack here, and we can barely fit. Push, that's it. Oh, bang, crash. And now we try to get in the next door.
Our door.
And it's that one. And it's reverse. It's a reverse door. It's that way.
Oh my god, took him 5 minutes first
Come in
time.
here and
Yeah.
have a look at this place, really.
Right, so after the last effort, this is our kitchen. How about that for a kitchen? Then we have a lounge room and outdoor patio area. Let's see.
And how we get up?
Can get up the roof, apparently. We've got that
the
far.
bedroom.
And this bed is a bit bigger than the last 4 nights. And then we have the bathroom. How about that?
If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, but certainly helps our channel. Another World Heritage Site, the Catholic Cathedral, is the world's largest Gothic cathedral. A mosque was built on the site in the 12th century and still stands over 100 metres in height. After the Christian conquest, the mosque was incorporated into the cathedral, making for a fascinating mesh of Islam and Christianity. Seville has a reputation for 2 fabulous buildings that stand above other attractions: the Royal Alcazar and the Seville Cathedral. Justifiably a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Alcazar was begun in the 10th century and then expanded by 2 successive Islamic dynasties. The palace is known for its mosaics and gardens. The upper floors are still in use by the royal family when they visit, so the Alcazar can claim itself the oldest royal residence still in use. Here where we can't access. Look at that. Look at the intricacy of it. So we've coloured a lot of it up, checked it. these buildings, these halls, these tiles. Look at the work that's gone into that. Tell a story. Just marvellous. Who said they needed tapestries? There's tapestries. Look at the size of those. Now they are easily 7 metres by 5 metres. They're massive. Look at the door. The door's 4 metres high. The ceiling's probably 10 metres. My word. So they're representing a war, battle. Look at that, just the detail. This tiny little corner, this massive tapestry, about a metre by maybe half a metre. And you can go in and you can look at every detail. This little, look at these dudes way down here. And you pan out and you look at the entire thing, it goes up to the ceiling. The palace gardens comprise various small palaces representing a millennia of change, Islamic, Gothic, Renaissance, Baroque and Romantic elements combined with art across the centuries. Not a bad garden. Not bad. Get Jenny out here with her pruning shears. I don't understand where the tomato plants are.
I haven't got to the vegetable garden yet.
Look at those walls over there.
Ornamental garden.
There's gardens on the other side of the walkway that we're on. That's with the backup gardens. Look at that. My God. The Alcazar is a wondrous place and requires hours to see. Plan for a rest in the gardens to recharge your batteries before you set off for more exploration. These people wanting photographs, pushing it out a little bit. This looks like, look at that work.
So this is the Prince's Quarters, the Sicilian. Look at that, gold. Look at that work in the archway and the ceiling. Oh.
Hi, thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe so you don't miss the next installment.